A lot of people ask me, why did we stop when we were at the top of the things, when we had them on the mat? Yes, that the fact that we had them where we wanted them is very correct. But why did we stop? Now, the basics of any conflict or war fighting, first and foremost, is selection and maintenance of aim. What did we start with? Our aim was terror and terror infrastructure. We had selected that target. Once we achieved that, our aim is achieved. So now it is time to terminate the conflict. If we wanted something else, then we would have gone into the conflict with that aim and thereafter continue to prosecute it. So during conflict, we cannot be vacillating and changing the goalpost, change the aim. So that is one of the basic tenets of war fighting, which we stuck to. What came to the fore during these operations is the resolve of our people. You see, after 1971, it is the first time when people have seen blackout. It is the first time when people have seen any weapons coming in, missiles coming in, or even our own missiles or anti-aircraft guns being fired. You speak to the people in Jammu, Pathankot, Srinagar, Firozpur. I mean, we were getting input in real time, and it was so heartening to hear that there is no panic. There are no jams on the road. People are not trying to get to the rear areas. Everybody stood their ground. They dug their heels in and as if they were ready to face the enemy themselves. So when you have a population which is so resilient, and then let the enemy come with any amount of force, any weapon, you cannot defeat the resilience of 1.4 billion people. And personally for me, that was a big takeaway during Operation Sindoor, when I realized that our civil population, our population which is not in uniform, they are equally to the task and they are not flinching. They are standing their ground.